Support for the usually reliable bears has spread out to 4.68, and the EMA 50 is almost at $6 right now. Everything considered, even though it seems obvious, the current trading amount of Internet Computer is 10,161,527, or so they thought. Internet Computer will cost about $4.13 from now until July 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much an Internet Computer will cost right now or a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the questions that people ask most often. What explicitly really is reasonably regularly transient cost presumption for Internet Computer sort of is ICP a truly in each conventional sense? Why is speculation which unequivocally sort of is truly essential, which basically is really gigantic Internet Computer sponsorship and obstruction levels? And so on in a truly kind of basic manner, which everything considered is truly massive in any case prior to skipping totally critical into the ICP explicit evaluation basically generally determined us basically, for the most part, discuss the genuinely current monetary conditions, which in every logical sense is very fundamental in a straightforward way market evaluation over the pleasantly truly latest 24 hours there fairly according to a certifiable point of view was a decimation of 1.84. Bringing the edge of truly whole electronic currency market to 1,195,617,921,172 in a sort of immense manner the general by and large around that genuinely matters rigid exchanging volume all things considered especially remains at 247,765,9,007,194 and a truly enormous way, which explicitly is uncommonly fundamental. It's things things a really nice It is. Also, Coco's BCX dropped 0.77 in value and went to 60 cents, which is a big drop that is usually very important. These events show that the market is mostly going down right now, which is very important in a simple way. Right now, a wide range of negative drops can be seen across the crypto market, which is very important in a simple way. Computer internet support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend can change direction in a big way. Support is a level where buyers tend to become more active and stop the price of the coin from falling any further. Similarly, resistance is a level where sellers tend to become more active and stop the price of the coin from falling. ICP Internet Computer performance shows that the ICP cost is going down, with a 1.38 drop in range. Most people thought that after 24 hours, which is a very long time, the value of the Internet Computer ICP coin would stay at $4.13. 1808324,670 which shows that a similar level of resistance is a level at which most traders get nervous and stop the coin's price from going much higher. The ICP price changes by 5.97 over the course of the week, while the trading volume is around 10,161,527 which shows that Internet Computer support is strong. Internet Computer Price Analysis ICP Price Analysis for 0 to 2 July 2023 in a by and large especially daily period basically used below, which basically is very big and in all seriousness very big way we use Relative Strength Index RSI moving really beautiful normal combination and uniqueness. Mapped levels of support and resistance for different time spans and moving midpoints, including very simple moving in every way, really ordinary, small, and dramatic D things. EMA 2 pretty much ruined the future of the Internet Computer. The coin is going down because it broke below two important support levels of 4.68 and 4.35 cents. This goes against what most people think. In a significant second way, the market isn't good for bulls, and bears could take ICP to the next support at $4. Despite what most people think, a trade that is usually signaled directly is very likely to happen at this point. RSI shows an oversold stage while trading at 17 and is trying to break out of the negative zone while showing a lot of negative strength, which is a very important sign that the ICP United States dollar is moving in a normal way. Union and difference in general, the MACD line is showing a short-term silvery signal, and the MACD marking is showing a short-term silvery signal. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin, mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%. But its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates and a number of crypto companies, like the FTX exchange, went bankrupt, wiping out trillions of dollars. But the fall of a number of major banks this year has helped the recovery. Standard Chartered said that its prediction of a price rise was based on the fact that the miners who create the 900 new bitcoins that are made every day around the world would soon have to sell fewer bitcoins to cover their costs, which are mostly made up of electricity to run supercomputers. Kendrick estimated that miners have recently been selling 100% of their new coins. But if the price goes up to $50,000, they might only sell 20 to 30%. It's the same as miners cutting the number of bitcoins they sell each day from 900 to just 180 to 270. Over a year, this would cut the number of bitcoins miners sales from 328,500 to between 65,700 and 98,550, which is a decrease of about 250,000 bitcoins a year. The number of bitcoins that can be mined each day will also be cut in half by April or May of next year. This is because Bitcoin has a built-in supply and issuance system that gradually limits supply to keep its value high. During Bitcoin's past rallies, it was normal for people to say that the price would go through the roof. In November 2020, a Citi expert said that the price of Bitcoin could reach $300,000